Priya from Tech Trends, and this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see, this is all new gold color. It also comes in Sierra Blue, Silver and Graphite just like the last year. It starts at 128 gigabytes and goes all the way up to 1 terabyte if you are looking for that amount of storage. It's a 12 megapixel front camera with an f2.2 aperture, and it can also do the new cinematic modes. As the back cameras are concerned, these are all new sensors. In fact, they are supposed to be very impressive of course, and I have noticed that it does feel very top heavy because of these sensors. They have sensor shift stabilization and they are triple 12 megapixel sensors. We have a telephoto f2.8 and we have a wide f1.5 and we have an ultra wide f1.8 aperture. iPhone is 512 gigabyte model, so it's not the 1 terabyte, but it's more than enough storage for me. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now inside we have a USB lightning cable, so we'll take a look at that quickly. There is some paperwork here, like we would expect a SIM card ejector tool, some paperwork with warranty information, and also an Apple sticker. It has an A15 Bionic CPU. It's the new chipset with a 6-core CPU with 2 performance core and 4 efficiency cores. It also has a new 5-core GPU, which is an extra core over the 13 and the 13 mini. It also has a new 16-core neural engine, and it has 6 GB of RAM. Overall, I liked my phone very much. I hope this video will give you the required information. I will come again with such informative videos. Thank you. Overall, I liked my phone very much. I hope this video will give you the required information. I will come again with such informative videos. Thank you.